Ah, man, those guys, they completely kicked my ass, man. I played bad. I played real bad. Like, well, I don't even know if I should be saying if it's my fault or, but all right, let's go.
Hello and a warm welcome on what is a glorious night for football. Perfect playing conditions. And
There's
an
just
awful
no
lot at
other
stake
way.
here. It's the second leg of the
We have to win
CONMEBOL
today.
Libertadores semi-final. And you can feel the atmosphere already,
I'm gonna go
Lee.
attacking.
This should be a very significant occasion.
Well, really looking forward to this one, Derek. The trophy is
We'll go
nearly
ultra-attacking
touchable,
now.
only 90 minutes away. Have to say, you've got to stay focused, really concentrate on the job in hand.
Crossing possibilities. And the defender takes care of business. And the counter looks on here, options available. Well, we know how troublesome he can be on the pitch, but what should we expect from him today, Lee?
Well, pace, just...
Oh, a lovely ball. Well, he took care of it defensively. Perez, Fernandez. Firing it towards goal.
Cheap.
Keeper making sure that there were no
soft.
scraps to feed on for the attackers. Casco. Matias Suarez. Fernandez. Perez. Good use of the ball, but can they trouble the defence? Well, that would be straightforward for any keeper. Milton Casco. Fernandez. Suarez. By no means on his own here. Great opportunity. Well,
Come on, sit down. I'm gonna go ultra attack, try this whole match.
Overall, in this tie, it is 2-2.
I probably will score 2, then go back to balanced.
Fernandez.
Because you don't want these guys to to get tired.
Quintero. Prato. Still level here, but the pressure escalating. Quintero on the ball. They lost it. Good technique displayed. And plenty of scope to be creative in that wide position. Must score.
Thank you.
Can they slot it home? Suarez. Dangerous looking attack. It's there for him.
Oh! We need to see that. We need to see that. We need to see that goal. We need to see that goal. That was a nice goal.
Well, as we can see, if a striker is free in the box and the great ones just stand still, they know chances will come in that position, and he wasn't disappointed.
Well, let's go back to the goal that was scored. Well, plenty of goals if you look at the aggregate. 3-2 here.
I'm still going to leave it on ultra attack at the moment.
Defensive cover there on the flank.
I don't know if we'll score 3. Then maybe drop back. But these guys, you can't underestimate these guys.
And moving the ball nicely. Real danger. And cleared away. Quintero on the ball. Showing a real desire to win it back. This attack looks highly promising. Delightful pass.
Keeps.
And a goal to level the contest on
there we go.
And on away goals. Can they be separated, these two? We could be heading
So now,
for extra time. Well,
at least we've scored 2 goals already, so
3-3 on aggregate. Given away. He's taken
Come
on his
on.
opponents here. It needs an accurate cross. Well, he made that interception look routine. In truth, it wasn't.
All right, let's drop to balance.
Good vision. Can he get onto this? He'll be breathing a... It has to be! And the keeper making sure that was pushed well away from danger.
Well, Derek, it's so finely balanced. You just wonder if set pieces will be the difference today.
Terrific block there. I must admit, I thought he was going to score with that header.
Yeah, it was a quality
Good
cross, and he
defensive.
gets up well, and it's just wide.
Lucas Martinez Quarta. Casco. Ignacio Fernandez. Lucas Prato. It should be! Able to clear
The reaction
at
of
least
these
for
guys
now.
is just heartbreaking, bro.
He's driven in the corner. Well, they're trying to keep the pressure on in the form of another corner. And now the delivery. Really wanted to get it past the first defender then. Casco. A case of foiling the opposition by whatever means. So the corner played into the box. It's a corner.
Now that corner.
Played into the centre of the box. Not really the ideal clearance. Powerful enough, but not precise
Terrible.
enough.
No, not accurate enough at all. He had other options on as well.
And there it is, the half-time whistle. Plenty to consider based on what we've seen so far as the second half begins.
Who is there?
Well, it was a very good-looking move, but alas, no end product. I must say, no shortage of space. Good numerical situation. And just like that, they've lost possession.
Come on.
Dangerous looking attack.
Sure.
An easy meet for the keeper, given that cross. Giving them the gift
What kind
of
of...
possession.
What are you doing?
Lucas Martinez Quarta. Boré. Lucas Prato. Giving the ball away.
Come on.
A move of promise on the flank. Will he play it in? Dealing with the threat that was real. Ignacio Fernandez. Perez. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Teamwork might be the key. It's there for him. Almost what you might call a jaw-dropping save.
Oh, he's got no right to make that save. It's absolutely fantastic.
And he's fired over the corner. Poor execution with regard to the corner. And quick thinking to react to the situation and concede the throw. Firing it in. Simple save, really.
Bad shots. Shot was weak.
And 30 minutes left for play in this match. This might have potential. He has time to play it over. Poor attempt at a pass, really. Racing forward, trying to catch them out. Well, that's one for them to pursue. Gliding through the gears. Can they convert?
Thank you.
And a timely
Thank
goal
you.
to give them security
Thank you.
and breathing room. What a chance they have now of making it through.
Well, I do just love goals like this. On the breakaway, they soak up the pressure. You have to be organised when you haven't got the ball to break into the positions when you get the ball and hit the team on the counter-attack. And it's a clinical finish at the end of it as well.
Well, 7 goals on aggregate, 4-3 is how it stands. Running with the ball confidently. Thou shalt not pass.
Fam, you mustn't now. Come on.
They will now make use of their substitutes bench. Corner kick played in. And a goal just when they needed it. It puts them level on aggregate, but they trail on away goals.
Well, quite a lot of the time you need good movement to get away from your marker, but you also need brilliant delivery. And this is as good as it gets. What a header.
Well, what an enthralling tie this has been, and an aggregate score befitting it, 4-4. Well, great read to intercept.
Bruh, come on, man. Have to switch.
Still level here, but the pressure escalating. Crossing possibilities. I must say, no shortage of space. Well, let's see about the cross. And up for grabs off the keeper. And on the volley, that's not exactly how he intended to catch it.
Give me De La Cruz now.
9 out of 10 goes where it did do.
"15 minutes remaining. De La Cruz. Looks promising, this.
In
a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. And he takes on the shot. Can he put it away?
Offside. Thank God for that.
Position. Offside, in the opinion of the officials. And a substitution in the offing. Bruno Zuccolini. Perez. Prato. It looks promising. Just cutting off the supply.
Nice.
It might be on for them. Whatever it takes to keep them out.
You waste, man.
He didn't catch it the way he intended on the volley.
No, on volleys,
you've tried. Come on.
And he just wavered a little bit.
Thank you for all your goals, bro.
Very fondly.
I think you're tired. It is 6 minutes.
Top-class defending.
Let's go.
Nicolas De La Cruz. And slipped through beautifully. An attack full of promise. Happy to take on the shot. Aware of the threat, solving the problem. Well, they did have the ball, but not anymore. Suarez. There's the final.
Are we through? I think we should be through.
They're through to the final of the Copa Libertadores.
We're through, right?
Well, Derek, it's never nice to lose a semi-final.
Thank God for that.
Away goals is very cruel.
Just the finals left. I will see you guys over there. Take care and peace.
Joyous for the other. Really looking forward to the final now. Not long, and hopefully we get a classic.
This attack looks highly promising. Delightful pass. And a goal to level the contest on aggregate and on away goals. Can they be separated? It has to be. Well, the keeper making sure that was pushed well away from danger.
Well, Derek, it's so finely balanced. You just want...
Teamwork might be the key. It's there for him. Almost what you might call a jaw-dropping save.
Oh, he's got no right to make that save. It's absolutely fantastic.
Well, that's one for them to pursue. Gliding through the gears. Can they convert? And a timely goal to give them security and breathing room. What a chance they have now. It puts them level on aggregate, but they trail on away goals.